This brand is made in the USA and is a part of Plaston Group. The humidifiers can be purchased at Target stores or through their website, but they are only backed by an average warranty. The Hybrid H300 model is an air purifier/humidifier that is Wi-Fi enabled for control through their smartphone app. The unit has an oil diffuser and offers optional pollen and silver filters for enhanced air cleaning. They have a 650 square feet coverage area and are very quiet with a 28 decibel noise rating on low speed. The W200 model is an air washer that uses the evaporation pad and water to filter the air. It has an oil diffuser and a 540 square feet coverage area, while the U200 model is an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier with a 480 square feet coverage area. The U310 model is a warm mist ultrasonic humidifier with a large 860 square feet coverage area, but the guarantee on the ultrasonic models is not as good as the other models.